Today, I want to show you how you can use Stack Rank inside of Mount My Customers to effectively manage your team more quickly, and really get into the root of what your reps are doing well, what they're not doing well. So, the first thing we want to do is we'll click on the Reports tab here. And what this will do is it'll bring us to the section of reports. We have got custom dashboards and general reports here. We're going to click on this section down here, though, performance reports. And under that, we'll see Stack Rank. And when you click on Stack Rank, what's cool about this is you can actually look at almost any metric side by side, right? And that's what really makes it so powerful is it's so quick and easy to look at metrics and compare them to each other across reps, across teams. And we can actually change reps and teams up here. So if we click entire organization by rep, we'll see every single rep on our team. If we say by team, we'll just get the two teams that we've got here, right? So if you want to take a look at the individual rep performance and you want to see kind of how they're doing in terms of just general activity, we could look at who's the leader for number of check-ins completed, right? And we can see here that we can sort by number of activities completed. Tony Stark is on top for this entire quarter, but as of recently, Claire has been really doing the most check-ins completed. Activities completed here is a little bit different than check-ins completed. Check-ins is actually physically checking in, and then the activity could be any type of activity, outside of a check-in, right? So that's why Tony is higher and Claire is a bit lower. But what's cool is you can see, again, any metric side by side. We can click on a different metric here, such as deals won, revenue won, routes added, number of new accounts added, for example. We can move these around and take a look at them, side by side here, right? So it's just really quick. It's really easy. You can see who the leader is. You can download this data to a table, like a spreadsheet, very quickly, and you can even modify the widgets up here to quickly give you a glance at the top reps based on these different metrics that you care most about. And what's really cool as well is that you can actually get this on mobile, right? So if you're on the mobile app and you're on the home screen, you can actually scroll all the way down and you will see the leaderboard there, right? So no matter if you're on the go or at your home office or at HQ, you can actually take a look at these metrics super quickly, super easily, and understand what's going on with your sales team, right? So that's partially why we love it so much, why our customers love it so much, is it just makes it so stupid simple to be able to actually take a look into, take a peek under the covers, basically.